So in general, the forecast starts early tomorrow, increasing in intensity with heaviest rates of accumulation at up to 3 inches per hour.
The role that the Office of Emergency Management plays is providing the most up-to-date forecast that the folks who encompass the weather group would follow to make the determination to delay an opening or release employees early or cancel classes.
The store's forecast is predicting up to 18 inches of snow.
So we're facilities operations and building services.
Mike DeWest. We cover approximately 21 miles of roadways. I think it's close to 10 million square feet of parking, 79 miles of sidewalk.
I'm going to the motor pool for a minute to see if they can fix my wipers.
In most cases, a piece of equipment is down no longer than an hour. It keeps us moving. We can kind of reach our goal, which is obviously making sure we open on time in the morning.
The heaviest amount of snow beginning in the afternoon, early evening, ending by noon on Thursday.
We've been here for 36 hours. If you include our shovelers, our students, and our machine operators, we're talking easily 200 people at any given time. It's kind of normal run-of-the-mill. I mean, I think it's a success in itself, just being able to move that much snow in a short period of time.
Everybody that's involved, whether it's dining service, motor pool, facility as a whole, that we're all out here and, we all care and want to make sure that everybody can get around safely.